front of me is Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. Begin by opening Devices Settings. Now scroll down a tiny bit to click on Display. When you're ready, scroll down again, this time to tap on Font Size and Style, and click on Font Style over here. Now it's time to apply any of those font styles by clicking on a perfect one for you and going back. So when I do that, as you can see, style of my font has changed. If you wish to try something more interesting, go back to the same settings. So Devices Settings, then Display, Font Size and Style, and Font Style. Now, instead of tapping on any of those font styles, hit Download Fonts, tap on the best one for you, and to check it out, hit Try It Out or See Sample over here. If you are sure you wish to try this one, you can go back and hit Install button at the bottom. Now you can tap on Apply at the bottom right corner right away, or go back to Devices Settings and click on your new font style on the list in order to apply it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!